What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another intersection stop. We are here at Prince Road and Stone Avenue. I think we were actually gonna do the Glen Street and Stone one at some point. We'll do it later in the future, but why am I doing that is because half the buttons were replaced, just like on Bear Canyon Road and not Catalina Highway, Tanca Verde Road. Anyways, Stone Avenue and Prince Road, we got more Polara IDS, presumably iDS2s if I can...
Wait.
What? Bruh, come on. I didn't even wave my hand in front of them. 2D, yep.
Wait.
Well, I really want to cross this side. I didn't ask it to do that. Stupid buttons. I didn't ask it to do that. We're starting off rough here.
Wait.
We're really going to cross over here once I get the permission to go.
Wait.
Yep. That's a loud whistle.
Wait.
This one doesn't have any interesting features to it, but I've been wanting to go film some more IDS for a bit, and I'm doing so. This one was actually, these were placed on a separate pole. Yeah, these are 2Ds. Cuckoo. We got the cuckoo signal. The only thing from the intersection that hasn't been changed, they replaced all the traffic lights and they replaced the buttons. They left the original, whatever button name brand it is, intact. ICC. Okay. I wonder if my shadow's giving it away. The thing's doing things like that. There's your button again. I'm gonna let traffic clear up a little bit before I actually push the button again. Also, yeah, that's not looking good. These buttons have been here for about 2 years. Well, these were one of the earlier buttons to be put in, but still, it's a little bit disappointing how that's happened. I'll let traffic go first before I actually push the button again. So, cutting away. Alright, well, traffic's moving.
Wait.
Might be waiting a little bit longer. I plan for this to happen anyway. So, oh yeah, a little side note. Grant Road used to have these yellow ones, but with the cutoff, not so obvious. Like the cutoff was completely missing, to say the least. With buttons like this, unfortunately this one is not one of those. There's your button again. It's actually kind of nice how these look, but these are getting a little bit worn. Oh yeah, and before I say it again, for like the third time in a row, these are iDS2s, because they say 2D on the side. We should be getting a walk signal any minute now. I won't narrate on this next crossing. I'm just gonna take it nice and chill and cross the street. There's literally nobody coming. I don't see anybody. There it goes. Here it comes now.